Yeah.
Camera speaks.
Scene 4, take 5, marker.
Action. Hey, Ray.
Tony!
Speaking. How may I help you?
Alicia, stop it. I'm on the phone with Antonia. You know how I am about my hair? It's rude. Tell her I say hello. Tell her yourself. I'm not your damn secretary.
Sorry. Pump your brakes and calm all of that down. Hey, Tony. Hey, girl. I haven't talked to you in 2 weeks. What's up with that?
Nothing. I've been busy since I made partner, and the case I'm working on is very intense and stressful. I need a mini vacation.
Me too.